Hello, my name is Cardavis Wash, and I'm going to walk you through my registration system project for C#2. So here we have my starter form. That's basically just my first form to get us started with, everything that I'm going to be walking you through today. And right here we have student and admin and ID and password. So to start, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the student ID. And right here, once I put in an ID, it's basically going to pull from the database the actual ID number that corresponds, or the data rather, that corresponds with this ID number. So right when I press log in, as you can see, this is gonna pull up. And as you can see, Tony Danza corresponds with the database, and that's in the database as well. And right here, I'm gonna try to do an add class. And right here, if I just put in data and I press add, sorry about that. Right here is gonna ask me, would I like to add a schedule or a class to the schedule rather. And I'm gonna press yes. And now it's added. So right here, this is no longer needed. Well, this form is no longer needed right here, and I'm gonna get onto admin. I'm gonna press close. It's gonna ask me if I would like to close the window. I'm gonna say yes. And I'm gonna log out of this, and I'm gonna press yes. And right here is admin. And right here, I actually have like a verification before we click straight into admin rather. So right here, it's admin. And we're gonna press log in. And as you can see, that's gonna bring me to the administration window. This window is basically gonna give you 4 different objects, which is student, instructor, section, and course. And right here, as you can see, I can basically put in parameters and different things like that to add. And right here, I'm gonna press add, but as you can see right here, it's gonna say pick an object to add. So I will basically have to plug in information right here. Right here, as you can see, oh, sorry, I gotta click out of that first. Right when I click out of that, I'm gonna press instructor. As you see, each time it's changing, so it's gonna say add instructor. My apologies for this, but it's kind of jammed in. But as you can see, it's changing for each one. And I put section, ID, first name, last name, street number, instructor ID, course. So this basically just giving you an overview of the administration, form and things like that. So I'm gonna actually press clear and log out. And that's pretty much sums it up in terms of everything that my registration project can do. Everything's up and running. I have 5 forms in total. They all coincide with each other somehow, and that's pretty much a basic overview of my registration project. Thank you and have a great day.